Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by inspecting the edge closely and marking high and low spots so you know what to remove. This saves time and prevents overworking the material. Next, secure the piece and apply masking tape to protect adjacent surfaces. Use a coarse 80 grit to remove major defects, keeping strokes consistent along the grain. Once done, switch to 120, then 220 to smooth. Make sure to clean dust between grits so abrasives cut efficiently, and you can judge progress accurately. Once the basic surface is smoothed, you move into shaping. Use a sanding block or jig to preserve straightness and consistent bevels, and apply even pressure to avoid dips. For curved or irregular edges, switch to a flexible sanding strip or small files so you can follow the contour without removing too much. As you work, frequently check alignment with a straight edge or feeler. This prevents surprises later. If a mistake appears, fix it immediately with a targeted pass rather than broad rework. You finish by removing all dust with a tack cloth and applying a thin primer or sealant so the top coat adheres evenly. Apply finish in light coats, letting each dry fully, and sand with 300-400 grit between coats to maintain a uniform edge. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to feather chip areas with a filler or thin epoxy, shape it after curing, and resand. If the edge is structurally compromised, replace the strip. Make sure to test on scrap before final coating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.